Want to know how to fix the Google Play Store icon not showing on Samsung phones? You might find your Play Store icon missing from your home screen or app drawer. This usually happens if the app was accidentally disabled, hidden, or if there's a temporary system glitch. But no worries, here's how you can get this problem sorted without a hassle. Solution 1. Check if the app is disabled. The most common reason for a missing icon is that the Play Store app itself got disabled. Open your phone's settings, scroll down and tap on apps or apps and notifications. In the list of apps, find and tap on Google Play Store. On the app info page, if you see an enable button, tap it. If it says disable, the app is already enabled, so this isn't the issue. After enabling, go back to your home screen or app drawer and check for the icon. Solution 2. Clear cache and data for Play Store and Play services. Corrupted data in the Play Store app or its essential background services can cause the icon to vanish or the app to malfunction. For Google Play Store, open your phone settings, go to App or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play Store, tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Storage or Clear Data, and confirm your choice. For Google Play Services, go back to the app list in Settings. Find and tap on Google Play Services. Tap Storage and Cache. First tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Storage or Manage Space, and then Clear All Data. Restart your phone after clearing both. This is crucial for the changes to take effect. Reopen the Play Store and check if the error is resolved. And that's it. One of these steps should help you fix the Google Play Store icon not showing on your Samsung phone. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.